Chapter 9. Beautiful Birds. Start off. About birds. Birds are beautiful animals with unique features. They are of different sizes and colors. The first special thing about birds is that they can fly. Let us explore the world of birds and know more about their special features. Have you noticed that the body of birds is very different from other animals that live on the land or in water? Most birds have two wings, two legs with claws, and a beak. Wings help them to fly. Legs and claws help the birds to move on the ground and eat. Beaks are mouths of the birds. Birds can move their neck in different ways. Their bodies are covered with feathers. They also make different sounds like chirping or tweeting. Feathers of birds. There are different types of feathers on a bird's body. Down feathers. Soft, fluffy, and light. Trap the body heat and keep the birds warm. Body feathers. Cover the body and give the bird its shape. Protect the bird's sensitive skin. Flight feathers. Long and strong in the wings and the tail. Help the bird to fly and change its direction. Beaks of birds. Birds have no teeth. They use their beaks to get their food and eat it. Birds have different types of beaks. They also eat different types of food. The type of food they eat depends on the kind of beak birds have. Eagle birds like eagles and vultures have hooked beak. It helps them to tear flesh of small animals that they eat. Sparrow birds like sparrows and pigeons have a short and pointed beak. It helps them to crush grains and seeds. Parrot birds like parrots and parakeets have a curved beak that helps them to crack nuts and seeds. Swans and ducks have a broad and flat beak with tiny holes on the sides. It helps them to drain out the muddy water from the holes and eat plants and insects. Birds' body aptitude for flying. Birds have light bodies. Their bodies have some special features that help them to fly. Birds have wings in place of arms to help them fly. Birds have strong muscles that help them move their wings and feathers. Birds have hollow bones, which makes their body weight quite light. The shape of a bird's body is streamlined, which helps it to cut through the air. Birds also have tails that help them in changing the direction while flying. The lungs of the birds have air sacs that give them extra air to breathe while flying. Discover this. There are some birds that cannot fly. They are called flightless birds. Find out names of at least 2 such birds. Nesting and feeding habits. Have you seen a nest? What was its shape and what was it made of? Birds, like other animals and humans, need a safe place to feed, grow, and protect their eggs and young ones. Birds build different kinds of nests. They use different things like grass, twigs, dry leaves, straws, pebbles, cotton, thread, wool, feather, hair, pieces of cloth, and paper to build their nests. They build their nests at different places. Birds lay their eggs in their nests. They feed their young ones in the nest till the baby birds are big enough to fly. Most birds build a new nest when they have to lay eggs again. Birds eat different kinds of food. Some birds eat fruits, grains, seeds, and nuts while others eat flesh of small animals. Some birds feed on fish and worms. Some birds feed on nectar of flowers. Beyond the book. Some birds fly over large distances at a particular time every year. They fly to protect themselves from harsh and cold winter, in search of food or shelter. Such birds are known as migratory birds. For example, Siberian cranes and rosy pelicans.